Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the qualities of a good trader. Trading Forex is actually not simple. To trade Forex, you have to have few but life-changing qualities. I understood this after years of trading. Back in 2013, I started Forex trading with $100 and I tried to profit instantly. Within few hours, I lost $30. Actually, I wanted to be a millionaire within few days. I was really frustrated about forex trading and I wanted to find the edge of forex trading. It took years to make few dollars from forex trading consistently. So today in this video I'm going to share with you my experience about forex trading and I'm going to reveal some strategies that I have used in my forex trading journey. The first thing I want to tell you, if you want to trade forex and make consistent profit, what you have to do is you have to look at the bigger picture of the market. If you can't do that, definitely you are a loser. So the first quality of a good trader is the ability to look at the bigger picture of the market, and then you should open positions to make money. Otherwise you will definitely lose, because if you can't see the bigger picture of the market, then you are just like a blind man, so you can't see anything. So look at the bigger picture of the forex market. I mean that you can look at uh, I mean bigger time frames, then you can analyze your market, then you can make some profit. Most of new traders try to trade forex with I mean lower time frames. Actually what will happen is that they will definitely lose their money, because if you are going to look at a small picture of the market and it is very fluctuating and you can guess the trend of the market, definitely you will lose. So I ask you, if you are a beginner, I ask you to practice and the trading on bigger time frames. Yes, I agree, they can make a few dollars using small time frames, but in the long run they will definitely lose. I can assure you about that. Personally, I trade on weekly or daily chart. I'm not going to trade on hourly chart or 5-minute chart or 30 minutes chart. The second quality of a good trader is the patience. You should be able to wait until the price hit your take profit level. You shouldn't do anything to your target. You shouldn't change your target when the market is fluctuating. So don't worry, you have a goal, you have a target. So what you have to do is you have to wait until the last result. So you have to wait for that. Okay, you have to develop that skill, you have to develop that patience. Most new traders give up trading because of this patience. They can't wait until the market hit the price. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to wait. The market will give you the result. So patience is very important. Without patience, you can't win in forex trading. So it is a vital quality. If you have that quality, definitely you will win the forex market and you will get some profit from it in the future. Remember that success is not come very easily, so what you have to dedicate yourself for that. Okay, money has a value, so what you have to do is you have to give that value. So patience is one of that. So waiting is actually very very disaster for me. Actually it's really difficult, you know that. But in the forex market you have to adjust yourself to wait for that profit level or wait for that price. It is very important if you are a new trader, and I know that pro traders like me definitely know know this value of this patient, and they can wait until price hit their target level. Okay. The third quality of a pro forex trader is the money management. If you can't manage your money, you can't even think about the forex trading. Without money management, if you are looking to trade forex without money management, you are a loser. Okay, you have to set your goals with money management, then you know what is going to happen next. Okay, then you can manage your money, and definitely in the long run you will make consistent money because of your money management system. Trading is itself a money management system, so you have to understand this. Okay, money management is that much vital and important. Okay, without that you can't even think about forex trade. Okay, without even think about forex trade. So try to learn the money management system and develop your skills to trade forex. When it comes to money management, risk to reward ratio comes into the play. Okay, so risk to reward ratio is a part of money management. Okay, you know how much you are going to invest, and you know the reward for that, right? If you can manage these two things, you will definitely win, because you can't lose always in the forex market. Even if you don't know anything about forex trading, you will win some trades. Okay, if you have a good money management system, you will definitely win your goals, win your targets, and you will consistently profit in the forex market. So money management is very very important, and also as a part of that, the risk to reward ratio is also very important. So you have to learn about this, and you have to understand the points you should focus on, and you know your targets. And if you don't know those targets, if you don't have a target, then you have to follow pro follow pro traders and get advices from them. And also you have to find and you have to implement your trading system, your risk to reward ratio system, and then you can make consistent money. The next quality of a pro forex trader is the ability to trade forex using price action trading system. They don't want indicators. Okay, if you follow indicators, I have done it most of the time, because I think I have used lots of indicators. The result was very bad, because I couldn't even make a dollar actually consistently using indicators. The way of trading is, I think personally, is the price action trading system. You know what is going to happen in the market if you know the way to trade forex using your price action trading strategy. So if you want to be a pro forex trader, and if you are a beginner, try to focus on price action trading system, and try to look at the prices of your pairs of currencies, and try to see the pictures of try to see the pictures of candles, and you will understand what is going to happen, and you will be able to predict the market. Yes, you you can lose one trade or two, but most of the time you will win seven trades, six trades, even more. Okay, so try to focus on price action trading. Actually, pro traders trading price action trading system, they don't use indicators. Remember that. If you are following, if you are going after indicators, you will definitely lose your valuable money. So I ask you to stay away from those indicators and try to identify the patterns and the way market behave, and then you will be able to enter for good trading, uh, trading positions, and then you can reap your I mean reap your valuable profit. Okay, valuable profit. So I ask you to try to focus on price action trading. In my personal experience, I know that if you practice continuously, then there is a day. In that day, you will be able to make, I mean, money from forex trading. I know how hard it is. Okay, actually now it was. Now I am not losing my money because I am following these qualities I am talking in this video. So I know how to manage money, I know my risk to reward ratio, and also I know how to enter to a trade, and how to look at the candles and how the market is going to go, right? Okay, so try to focus on price action trading. The next quality of a good trader is they are not always looking at the screens, looking at the prices, and they are not going after every candle they see on the screen. Okay, a pro trader comes into the screen, they see what is going to happen in the market, they enter to the market and they open their positions, and then leave it to happen, and they are going to do their work. Okay, but most of the new traders are looking at the charts all the day, and at the end they have lost their money, they have lost their whole money, because you should have goals, you should have a target. Actually, I take one position, it can take up to 2 weeks or 3 weeks to close my position. That is trading. Trading is not a game, trading is an invest I mean trading is an investing opportunity. So you should be able to use that opportunity perfectly. I don't think about my language skills. I'm not a native English speaker, so I'm trying to convince you something, because if I can make money trading forex in my country, you can definitely do it. Okay, so believe me, trading is a great opportunity for people, and you can make money, but you have to know the method for that. I advise you to don't look at 5 minutes or 10 minutes charts, 15 minutes charts. Don't even look at them, because if you are looking at those charts, you will see trading opportunities, and you will definitely enter for those opportunities, and definitely you will lose your money. If you want to be a successful trader, just look at weekly chart or daily chart, then you can identify the trend of the market, and you can open your position. But actually, in my future videos, I'm going to show you these techniques, how to enter to a trade, and how to leave a trade how to close a trade. So stay with me. The next quality I am going to talk about of pro forex trader is they know how much they should invest on forex trading. But new traders most of the time invest their whole money on forex trading, and they will lose their money, and they will destroy their lives. Okay, so what you have to do is, if you want to invest on forex trading, you should know how much you can invest on forex trading, and you should have that estimate about your money. Okay, you can't invest all your money on forex trading. I advise you, don't invest money that you can't afford on forex trading to get instant profit. Forex doesn't give you instant profit. You have to wait. Sometimes it can be a week, it can be a month, it can be a year. Okay, you have to set your goals. You have to think about a percentage of your profit. Okay, if you don't have that target, then definitely you will lose your trades. Okay, when it comes to me, I usually uh, make 5 to 6% of my capital per month. Okay, so I think that is a very good amount, decent amount of money, decent percentage when it comes to forex trading. If you think you can make 50% of your capital in one day, definitely you are out of your mind, right? Forex trading is not a simple game. It's a big, trading system, and in that trading system, you have to be a pro trader, otherwise definitely you will lose your money. So far we have discussed few qualities of a pro forex trader, and I think these qualities will help you to get an idea about forex trading, and you will definitely practice yourself to trade forex using these qualities, and you will definitely find a way to improve these qualities, and definitely you have to do, otherwise you will lose in forex trading. So what you have to do is, you have to adjust yourself, and you have to practice yourself. You have to look at the charts, and you have to find your way to trade forex. I share my experiences, but your experiences can be totally different, and what you have to do is, you have to get this valuable information to your head, and you can make your decisions, and you can find your trading system. If you are a pro trader, you know how hard it is to start trading at the beginning, and when you practice yourself to trading world, and then it becomes very easy, and you know how to trade, and you know how to profit. In forex trading, you can't make lots of money instantly. Yes, you can make money, but it takes time. So I said once, this is an investing opportunity. It takes months, it takes years. Okay, you have to wait until your profit come to you. Okay, don't be hurried. First, try to understand the forex market. Hope you guys you got something from my video, and I really thank you for your commitment, for watching my crazy videos about forex trading. Anyway, I will give you my best experiences and my strategies in my future videos, so stay tuned with me. If you are a newcomer, please subscribe to my channel and help me, and then we can share our trading experiences through this YouTube platform. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.